Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to week 13. It is the last week before winter break. I've opened this week as well as the previous weeks found in your previous week's assignments folder. Those are weeks 9, 10, 11, and 12. If you'd like to up your grade, please do that. Open them up and you can submit right there in those folders. I will be closing them in January. If I close them and you still would like to submit, you always are able to submit using the Schoology envelope. Just email me by typing in my name and let me know what the assignment was that you did. Now, spread the word, guys, because the most participation in this week's class earns dojo points for your entire class. That's right. So, get everybody on board. I'd love to see some work this week because this week everybody is going to be doing a winter scene. So that means snow, definitely. Cold fun, oh yeah. Holiday, sure, why not? The only difference is the older grades will be offered more techniques. Remember, medium is your art tools like paint, clay, paper, marker, pencil, fabric, or more. Technique is the way you use those mediums or apply them to your paper. For example, if we're talking paper, you can cut your paper, curl your paper, tear your paper, crimp your paper, fold your paper, and more. Each one of those things I just said, that's a technique. So now let's talk about your options. All right, boys and girls, so you're going to have two choices when you hit the green next arrow down in the corner. The two choices are, 1, my kindergarten and first graders learned about Henry Matisse. Henry Matisse used scissors. He was a post-impressionist artist. He was also a Fauves artist. However, they learned about him, so if you'd like, you could do a lesson that involves cutting and gluing. Or you can pick the other lesson, which is more based on Georges Seurat that you learned about last week. Georges Seurat, remember that fun trick we said? Seurat the dot? That's because Georges Seurat used dots in his paintings. That dotting is called pointillism in his paintings because he used many different colors. The colors kind of mix together and blend. Now, if you're not using color and you're just using dots with a black marker or a pencil, that is called stippling. So yeah, dotting has two fancy terms and they mean different things. So, stippling is when you just do dots on your paper, and usually that shows value. Value is the darks and the lights of a color. Pointillism is when you use lots of different color dots, and they kind of blend together and make new colors as you go further and further back. And then as you come closer, you can see each little teeny tiny dot. So, hit the next arrow, the green one right here, to go on and see your two choices for this week's assignment. Good luck! After doing your assignment, also make sure you answer the question, why is it important to take care of your art supplies? Think about when you're stippling or dotting with markers. What can happen to your markers if you push too hard? Also, think about maybe when you're using scissors. What is the proper way to use scissors? Why? Could you possibly get hurt? Could you ruin your scissors? What about glue? Do we need to close our glue? Why should we close our glue? There's just some things to think about, but your question to answer today is, why is it important to take care of your art supplies? Remember, I need a title in the comment box. I need a picture of your artwork, and I need you to tell me why it's important for you to take care of your art supplies. See you later.